Good afternoon, everyone. By the way, I'm SANGIAO, the head coach of Team Lakay. As we are under ECQ, I am encouraging everyone to do this at home to boost your immune system, to fight boredom, at the same time learning fundamentals of martial arts. It's another day to be thankful about and another chance to be productive. So did you try our lesson yesterday? The basic of jab, straight, cross, and uppercut. We are down to lesson 2, and today I will teach basic roundhouse kick, the lead roundhouse, and the back roundhouse kick. Then later, we'll combine it with what we had yesterday. We'll have it with Janlo on demo later. I'm unorthodox, so this would be my stance in fighting. So in competition, this would be my stance in fighting. So if you want to execute the lead roundhouse well, you have to do is first have your stance like this. Okay, then first, when you will do your lead roundhouse, you have to lean back, transfer like 30% of your weight, so around 20 to 30%. So around 70 to 80% of your weight will be on your other leg. Then up your leg, then twist. Okay, first thing to consider is your right foot. Okay, you have to pivot in order for your hip to twist. Okay, so that's the pivot. Boom. 1, 2. Okay, make sure that your metatarsal of your leg, left leg, or your shin will hit your target. Okay, so 1, up, pivot, and twist. Okay, ready, up, pivot, then same time twist your hips, then extend your lead leg. That's the lead roundhouse kick. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay guys, so that's the proper way how to kick the lead roundhouse kick. And next is the back roundhouse kick. So same, you transfer 20 to 30% of your weight in front, then lift your right leg, then pivot, then twist hips, extend your leg, back to this position. Okay, again, up, pivot, hips, twist your hips, then extend your leg forward. Again, up, pivot, then twist hips, extend your leg forward. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, combination 1, 2, 3, 4, lead, back roundhouse, and 5, lead, then back roundhouse. Okay guys, so that's the lead and back roundhouse kick. Okay, so wait for the demo. We'll be posting that on my page. So follow my page, SANGIAO. See you later.